It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Travessa to Pato, so Pato Lane, and then we can kind of see the beauty of this particular street. So you'll be walking down it. One of the things you'll notice right away is that it has stairwells all the way down, and this is Rua do Campo, and then São Januário Hospital is on the other side. So we can see this concave like that. So what we're gonna do is go all the way up to the top, and then we're gonna come down and film this whole street and just kind of capture the feel of it. And we're gonna start up at the top, up that way. I just climbed up the steps, so I'm a little bit out of breath. Travessa do Pato.
Macau. So okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau. And let's just get right into it. We're gonna also show you the lyrics. So we created some music and I fit that up into AI, so that's there as well. And I think there's no more to be said for this particular video. I just want you to experience it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Walk and talk time. Check it out, Macau.
Okay, so this is the base of it, of Pato Lane. So this is where we're going to be walking down in a moment. But before we do, let's just kind of capture what's around at the top of the base. We're going to be coming all the way down to Rua do Campo at the bottom. Check out that cool looking tree. Huh. It's actually some kind of interesting stuff up that way. Okay, so we're going to be walking down in a moment. And right behind us, right to the left of us, is a Portuguese consulate, Portuguese embassy. So I'm going to, it's actually called Pato Street. So we're on Pato Lane. We're going to keep walking down Pato Lane. I just wanted to capture, that looks kind of interesting. So this is the backside of the Portuguese consulate. And Ipor, so they'll actually, you can study Portuguese there actually. So we're going to be following, walking all the way down. Travessa do Pato, Portuguese consulate. I think the Portuguese consulate used to be a hospital, is my understanding. So we got some beautiful kind of European style windows there too. Okay, so we're going to be going down. And then you can also see directly across from us is São Januário Hospital is way up at the top, but you can see the street like that. So now you can see all these steps down on that side. We're going to go down some steps, and if we went all the way down, you'd have, I really wish they didn't have this thing right here. This is awful. This stairwell brings you across the street, but it also covers up the view. So I feel like if this was really beautified, it'd be amazing. Like if they took that down or moved it a little bit, did something to it. And then if you just had this as like this really photogenic, beautiful space, it'd be incredible. This little Pato Lane, but that's not the case. Okay. So yeah, actually, I'm kind of debating now if I should go up. I could go up the staircase. I was going to go down to the main street. There's actually a hostel straight ahead on the corner there. Okay, let's keep on going down. Then I'm also going to look behind me as well. So that's what we're coming across right there. Okay, so we could go up. Let me just see. Just let them go by. So we could go up, but I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go down because I think the views from the street are kind of interesting anyways. So we're gonna capture it from that angle. But you can go up across right here. Travessa de Pato. And now you can see this Rua de Campo. So our lane comes down to this street. You know what I think I'll do? I think I actually am going to go up. So let's go up. And then by going up, we're going to get a view from up there. And then we're also going to be able to go back down again as well. And you kind of get the full extent of this particular street. So actually we did already finish our street, but it's kind of interesting just to go to the other side, just to put it all into some context. Okay, so let's go down. And then once we get to this side, you'll be able to look up and see how the stairs go. And they kind of look like this. So we'll follow it. So you got a little bit of a slice of Macau based on the other street. And then this is all the stuff that we couldn't see it down below. It's a stage to the right. But we're just going to go all the way down so you can see the stairwell. I'll keep on going down. Okay. So let's go all the way down, or go all the way up. Then you can see some of this from down below. And we'll try to look back up to where our street is in a minute. I think to fully see it, we should go all the way up to the top. But you can kind of see a little bit, but when we go up further above, it'll be more clear. I don't know if I'll go all the way up to the top though. But if I did, you get a better context, of course. But yeah, we basically just set it way over there. So we're gonna end it right there.
Come on now, come on. I gotta go, 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 go.